How to Make Money While You Sleep, the Ultimate Passive Income Guide. Hey everyone, ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? Sounds too good to be true, right? But today I'm diving into some super chill strategies that can help you build passive income streams without breaking a sweat. Let's get into it. What is passive income? All right, first things first. What even is passive income? Simply put, it's money you earn without actively working for it all the time. Think of it like having a side hustle that keeps generating cash flow, even when you're binge watching your favorite shows. It's the secret sauce to financial freedom, and trust me, it can change your life. Passive investing. Now let's kick things off with passive investing. This is where you put your money into stocks or index funds that grow over time. You don't have to obsess over the market daily. Just sit back and watch your money work for you. And if you're into real estate, consider rental properties. You can earn a nice chunk of change while someone else pays down your mortgage. Who doesn't like making money in their sleep? Digital assets. Next up, let's chat about digital assets. Ever thought about creating an online course? If you have a skill or knowledge to share, this could be the way to go. You set it up once, and it can keep selling forever. You could also think about developing software or apps. Sure, it takes some work up front, but once it's live, you can kick back while the sales roll in. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable are great places to start creating and selling your content. Automated businesses. Now here's something super interesting. Automated businesses. Have you heard of dropshipping? It's an e-commerce model where you sell products without ever handling them yourself. Just think of it as being a middleman while cashing in on the profits. And what about affiliate marketing? Simply promote products you love and earn a commission for sales made through your links. Easy peasy. Content creation. Let's not forget about content creation. If you've got a passion for making videos, starting a YouTube channel might be your jam. Once you build an audience and monetize, you can earn ad revenue, sponsorships, and more. Blogging is another fantastic option if you prefer writing. With a little SEO magic, your blog can attract readers and generate income over time. Oh, and if you love chatting, podcasting could become your new favorite side hustle. Licensing and royalties. Next on our list are licensing and royalties. If you're into music or photography, this could be your goldmine. When you create a song or a stunning photo, you can license it so others can use it and you get paid. And let's not forget about writing. Whether it's novels or articles, every piece you publish can keep bringing in that sweet royalty money as long as people keep buying or reading them. Building multiple streams. Now, it's a smart move to build multiple streams of income. The more, the merrier, right? If you have different projects going on, like dropshipping, a blog, and some investments, you'll feel much more secure financially. Plus, if one area slows down, you've got others to keep the cash flow rolling. Want some inspiration? Look up entrepreneurial success stories. They all have multiple income streams. Getting started, action steps. Okay, so let's talk about how to get started. First, identify your interests and skills. What are you passionate about? Then set some realistic goals, like how much passive income you'd like to generate in the next year. And don't forget, it takes time and patience, so be ready to invest some effort up front. Check out online resources, tools, and communities that can help you along the way. Common pitfalls to avoid. Before we wrap up, let's touch on some common pitfalls. Remember, not every passive income idea is as easy as it sounds. Do your research. Take the time to understand your chosen strategy and never skip due diligence. And hey, don't expect results overnight. It takes time to build and grow these income streams. Stay committed, keep learning, and you'll get there. To wrap it all up, there are so many ways to make money while you sleep. Start exploring these strategies and begin your journey towards financial freedom today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on earning and saving. See you next time.